Retaining customers and maximizing customer satisfaction are essential for a manufacturer's growth and healthy margins. Service supports this by ensuring a rapid response to customer requests, streamlining service and support operations, and providing real-time decision support, helping transform service from a cost to a source of competitive advantage. The support manager will begin their day with a dashboard, letting them review the state of the business and alerting them to any customer issues they may need to address. When the support representative signs in, they see role-based menus tailored to what they do each day. New or infrequent users may access the desired functions from a process map, detailing activities for managing on-site service, RMAs, depot repair, service contracts, and quotes, all integrated into a complete quality management system for managing corrective and preventative actions. Begin with an action request. Initiate it externally or internally. No more sticky notes. If someone needs something, record it right here. Take a request from a customer. In this case, they want to return a defective product. No more paper documents. Reference the original sales order or invoice and attach a photo of the damaged item. Embedded workflow shows the next logical action. In this case, creating an RMA. Ensuring a replacement item will be sent out fast. Other action requests may be for on-site service. Take the information, notify the engineer, and they will immediately see the notification in their inbox and can contact the customer right away. And create a service order with all the details. No matter where they are or what device they are using, the engineer has complete access to everything they need to provide outstanding customer service and can record all the costs, parts, labor, expenses, and then use built-in workflow to process the activities and generate the invoice, ensuring timely and accurate billing. Let's take one more action request. This one is requesting a quote. Rather than having an active lead sitting on someone's desk, you can immediately notify the salesperson, who will see the note in their inbox and can follow up and create the quote right from there, and send a note back to the support representative. Now that's customer service. As you have seen, QAD provides an intuitive and collaborative experience, streamlining processes to ensure rapid response to any type of service request, helping boost customer satisfaction and transforming service from a cost to a source of competitive advantage. That's next generation ERP, rapid, agile, effective.